And a good Monday evening. We take a live view there from Wintergreen. And of course, throughout the course of the day, we've had a little drop in the humidity, and it is going to be very cool tonight. It won't be long before that canopy of green we see along the Blue Ridge really starts to accelerate with the color change. Let's take a look at our numbers here in downtown Charlottesville today. We touched 80, currently 75. The dew point, which measures moisture content in the atmosphere, this number will continue to lower as we've got a very comfortable air mass, maybe even too cool for you. That'll settle in here as we go through the overnight and into tomorrow. As far as overnight lows tonight, most of us will be in the lower 50s across the region. So yeah, quite cool. Tomorrow we've got the sunshine, but we'll have that haze similar to today. It's actually smoke from the wildfires out across the western United States. But tomorrow, most of us in the low and middle 70s. Our average daytime high now is 81, so we'll be well below that. And as we take a look at the next several days, we've certainly got a preview of autumn. Temperatures in the 70s, and those overnight lows will be well down in the 50s. Now, while we're dry through the midweek, we'll have a front approach on Thursday. That'll set off some showers. Currently, most of the moisture with Hurricane Sally looks to remain suppressed to our south. Yes, we'll likely see some try to edge up north, not saying that we won't see any at all, but currently the outlook for rain for us is not all that impressive, but certainly across the Carolinas back into Georgia, that's where the bigger bullseye of some heavy rain and flooding will certainly lie, but we'll have the combination of those two systems here by the end of the week. Visible satellite picture, you can see just a few clouds out there, but we've got that haze in the atmosphere from the fire out west. Things are quiet on NBC29's exclusive dual pole triple Doppler radar here tonight. Again, we had a front that came through earlier in the day. There are some showers that linger across portions of the Carolinas. We got high pressure over the Great Lakes that's going to build toward New England, and that'll really influence our weather here over the next several days. That's Hurricane Paulette. It impacted the island of Bermuda. It's moving away now. And then this is Hurricane Sally. Hurricane Sally rapidly strengthened today, becoming a hurricane. 5 o'clock advisory, Category 2 hurricane, winds of 100 miles an hour. This is some very heavy rain that's already impacting portions of the Gulf coastal region. And again, they could be looking at maybe 8 to 20 inches right along from the western panhandle of Florida back into portions of Mississippi and southeast Louisiana. Doesn't move a whole lot, and that's the problem. So the storm surge, the wind action, and the rain will just make things even worse. And the forecast tracker for the next several days taking us toward the late week, eventually becoming a remnant low out toward Georgia. That moisture will begin to pan out a little farther across the southeast, but with the front coming through, a lot of that could be suppressed farther to our south. That is tropicals from Teddy. That's Vicky. At one time today, we had 5 named storms. Renee has weakened to a remnant low. Here we are tomorrow morning, temperatures in the low to middle 50s. Beautiful day tomorrow, temperatures in the low to middle 70s, certainly low humidity. That'll be the case again on Wednesday. Some upper 40s are possible for some. Wednesday afternoon, mid to upper 70s. We'll watch that front on Thursday. There's the moisture from Sally, and a lot of that looks to stay to our south currently. Mostly clear tonight, cool. Most of us in the lower 50s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Really some pleasant temperatures, a preview of the autumn season to come. And this is the last full week of summer. Means this weekend's the last weekend of summer as well. As we move into this weekend with that front that'll come through later Thursday night into Friday, we're talking about morning lows down in the 40s, daytime highs in the 60s, and lows 70s. Sharon and Casey.